ground meat. I used a lot of ground beef. So this recipe serves at least 4. Cook until bacon. Bacon じゃね。Cook until brown.
If you wanna know what's cooking, watch Running 999.
Hey guys, today we're gonna be making 混ぜそば。行ってみよう。Cooking oil in a pot. I used a lot of green onion. I used 2 stalks. Also chopped garlic. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add ground meat. I used a lot of ground beef. So this recipe serves at least 4. Cook until brown. Add sake. Soy sauce. Miso. Doubanjiang. You can use sriracha instead. Mix well. This is nira. I'm not sure if it's available in your country, so I think you can use garlic shoot instead. I added some water. Simmer for 3 minutes. While simmering, work on cucumber for topping. Put some salt on wet cucumber. Roll it on cooking board for 20 seconds. Now it's smooth and nicely green color. Making starch mixture. Let's make it thick. Lastly, sesame oil to enhance the flavor. Egg yolk or Onsentamago, it's up to you. I'm Japanese, so I would like to use egg yolk, but I think Onsentamago is more comfortable for you guys. The recipe is in the description box if you want to know how to make it. Now let's eat it. Don't hesitate to mix it, because that's how you eat it. It tastes like heaven. My 2 thumbs is not enough. I need more thumbs. You guys need to send it over. And it will make sense.